Hello YouTube, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I've got an unboxing video. This has been very much anticipated. I got this from Endless Pens, and it was a pre-order that I had to wait to get. I ordered it months ago and it's finally arrived, and I just wanted to share it. It just got here and I'm going to unbox it and let you guys see the goods like me. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody is safe from all kinds of natural disasters. We just got done having Ian roll through. By the time this post, it will have been probably months ago, but I'm still hoping that everybody is safe, sound, and healthy in your world. Let's see if I got enough of this cracked open to get into this package. It looks like I have one little corner here. It's not cooperating. It's very well taped. This is my first, maybe second pre-order from Endless. This one took a really long time to get because this happened earlier in the year and I'm just now getting it. And the filming of this actual video is in October already. So I know I'm not putting this up until almost November of 2022, but let me just... okay. Put that to the side. Nice environmentally friendly packaging stuff. I'm going to put this off to the side so that I can, any shavings of this can go into a garbage bag over here to the side. Let's see if I can grab all this stuff out. And I bought one other little tiny thing in addition to this while I placed my order. All right. Box is unpacked. Okay, so the very first item I got was this wonderful Cup of Comfort sticker. It's going to go on to one of my journals for 2023, so I kind of pre-ordered that one. And then the piece de resistance. Sorry, I got ooh, I got a whole bunch of ink on my hands from the package. Okay, so I bought a one of the Sailor Manyo fountain pens. Comes nicely pre-wrapped like so. And I'm going to crack open the plastic, which again looks like it had some ink dust on it. So I'm hoping that I don't get too much on the box. This box is massive. Okay, so it came with a nice plastic sleeve and ink on fingers. And it's got a cardboard white sleeve on it. Then it has the blue sailor box. Zoom in just a little bit, fill the screen up. And then this looks like it just lifts off. Yep. And ta-da! Oh my god, it looks so pretty. All right. I wasn't sure if ink came with this, but it does. So you've got the writing instructions and how to fill the pen and the warranty information. A proprietary Sailor converter, piston fill converter. We're going to use that. I'm going to just crank that down. And this one comes with a bottle of Manyo ink, and this is Nadashikyo, I think it is. It's a blue ink, I do believe. 50 milliliters, that's a nice size. And then I have a medium nib, and I think this one is the Willow version. Oh no, I got the Dianthus version of this pen, and I think this one is, hold on just a second, it's sealed. Try not to cut my hand. So the Dianthus version is, all of them in the manual series, let me just say this, all the ones in the manual series are based off of Japanese flowers. And I know this because I just got to watching the Yoseka video talking about these pens, and I was like, oh, mine's going to be coming soon. Yoseka might have them in stock. I don't know if Endless is because it was a pre-order for them, and I have a feeling that they decided to only order what people bought so that they didn't have a lot of them left over. I thought I got the Willow, but it looks like I got the Dianthus. So my pen has a purplish color, and these ends are brown finials, and they all have different flowers on them, and that is what the Dianthus flower looks like in Japan. So each of the 4 pens have different ones, and then the bottom finial is plain. So this is a slim in a medium, which has become my favorite nib size for Sailor, even though I do love and very fond of fine and extra fines. They're just a little bit too scratchy. That's that beautiful 14 karat gold nib in the in this pen, and then the grip section has also got that brown kind of translucent color. Unscrew this. And put the converter in. And I'm going to actually trust that I don't have to flush this pen out. I was going to say floss. That's the wrong thing to say. It's been a long day. Very, very long day. So I'm going to go ahead and just dip it in this Manyo ink that they paired it with. And in these collections, they do give you a bottle of ink, and a very generous one at that, at 50 milliliters. Get my Tomo River notebook out. I'm going to just dip the pen in the ink so I don't have to, oops, sorry about that. You're hearing me almost try to sit on a box. I'm going to do that so that I can just do a writing sample very quickly on this. Hold on just a second, just trying to find a blank sheet and do a little test on Tomo River paper. All right. So there's just a nice solid blue kind of ink. I kind of wish they would have given me purple, but maybe it is purple and it just looks blue in the bottle. Okay, just, oh, I forgot to grab a napkin. Hold on just a second. Sorry to shake the camera. Just wiping off excessive ink here. All right. So, grab the name here, the side. This is Sailor Manyo. Dianthus. Dianthus. I'm not exactly sure how to enunciate the name. We zoom back out a little bit, and my lighting is starting to go, so I'm fighting sunset here already. This is a special edition in a medium nib, and the ink is Sailor. This pen is writing beautiful right off the cup. I did not cap my ink. So let me do that. And this is an overseas exclusive, they're saying on here. And the ink is Nadios Shikuyo ink. Beautiful pen, keeps up really quite well. The nib is a 14 karat gold, which is always, sorry about that, which is always a nice thing to have. And it writes buttery smooth. So that pretty much will probably round out my Sailor Pro Gear Slim collection for the year for sure. And most likely, unless something spectacular happens, in FY23 as well. Why? Because I've got quite a few of these now and I don't need any more, but I'm really glad I got this one as an exclusive. I knew I could do payments and kind of get it and have it be done. So the ink is a nice wetness. I wouldn't say, oh, it's got, you're not going to be able to see this with the light, but it's got purple with a little bit of blue, light lilac kind of shading in the ink off of that swatch. You can see where it changes. I should do a chromo shading test, and so that we can get a really good idea of that. Hold on a second. Okay, I was able to find my chromo shading strips, so I'm going to just do a really quick chromo shading test. I did the ink in a black Sharpie just because I didn't want that to run, just in case the water really travels on the paper. I'm relatively new to this, but I really do like the chroma shading test, so I'm going to just kind of let that go and see what happens with the water traveling up the paper. And I'm still getting used to doing chroma shading tests, so we're going to see what that happens and looks like. See it dry, and you're going to see the color change, hopefully. So there's that test as well. So that's it. I just wanted to go ahead and share my new purchase with you guys, because I just was really ecstatic to be able to get this, and it finally came after waiting for it for months. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you ordered one of these North American or overseas exclusive limited edition, special edition, should say special edition sailor pens, please let me know which one you got and what you think of it. What nib size did you get? How do you like your ink? That's all I've got for today. Take care until next time. I'll talk to you later. Bye.